it's Darla. Welcome. I have 12 names in this hat. This is my hair hat. The ponytail messy bun hat for people who don't have long hair. So there are 12 names in here. So watch the next clip to see if you were drawn from one of those 12 videos. And then after that, we're going to draw the 3 winners. I'm so excited. I'm using my hairy hat. So there's 12 names in here. Hubby's gonna pick the first one, and that will be the 3rd prize winner.
Do I pick now?
Yeah, pick one and give it to me. Right. The 3rd prize winner is Christine Abrams. Christine Abrams, congratulations. All right, now the 2nd prize winner.
Okay, here we go.
All right, the 2nd prize winner is Crochet and Knitting Addiction with Sherry. Congratulations. All right, now the grand prize winner. Grand prize winner.
You ready?
Yep.
All righty. Okay, there we go.
Who's the grand prize winner? Trina Rash. Congratulations, you are the grand prize winner. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations to all the winners. So please email your mailing address to me and your phone number if you're outside of Canada for those pesky custom forms. And yeah, congratulations everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for my 12 days my birthday giveaway. And on the last day we were celebrating my mom's heavenly birthday. All right, thank you so much, guys. It was so much fun, and it'll be happening again next year. All right, thanks, guys. Love you all. Bye for now.